on the bus ride too. What was everyone's favorite part? Besides, you can't say getting off the bus. Air conditioner breaking. That was the best part, the air conditioner breaking. That does sound like so much fun. I hope you had a great time. Oh gosh. Please tell me you weren't in the desert when that happened. Oh, we were. You were. What state was it? Texas. Texas. Okay. Oh wow. Did you get out of the bus at all, or for a minute? Okay, a really good minute. Really good minute. Oh, that sounds like the best minute ever. It's still the minute of your pitching right now. All right. So, who was planning on pitching? All of us. All of you are ready. Oh, you are ready? Okay, I like that attitude. So you're going second, right? All of you are ready to go first. That sounds like a challenge to the judges. Ooh, you decide.
No, not after. You decide.
Alright, this is the minute, they're both a minute, and I'll let you know, I'll hold up my hand when you have 5 seconds left. So try and take a minute for that, but you can still finish your sentence afterwards. As long as it's not really long. Alright, ready?
I was a producer with MTV for many years. In addition to that, I toured around the country producing over 20 shows. In that time, I saw a common phenomenon, people losing equipment breaking down. In the last year, over 1 million items of equipment were lost by airlines, costing musicians millions of dollars, time wasted. So enter Soundcheck. We are the equivalent of the Airbnb of music rental and rehearsal space for anyone who's a touring person or someone who is also a venue operator. So the market opportunity for this is $6 billion. Over the last, it's been projected that 40% increase over 5 years. Our service is built for community, and as a team, we are the team that is set to do this. We have a working musician for over 15 years who has connections to high-profile celebrities. We have myself and my industry connections. We have a Fortune 50 sales expert who has done the work and raised millions with other businesses. Our traction is that we've launched the site. We have sign-ups. So in the last few days, we launched the site. We have traction. We have sign-ups. We've done survey people. 100% of respondents have said that they would want to list or that they would also want to rent. And we also have some potential investment in the work of this.
All right, thank you.
And we've had, as in the last few days, 2 actual transactions from working musicians.
All right, now the official picture. All right. Okay, so who wants to be a rock star? We have a real rock star in the house. She's played for Kid Rock. She's played for Cheap Trick. The Styx, and the list goes on and on. Last year, she was on tour. She was prepared to present to 1,000 people. Her flight lands. She heads to baggage claim. The baggage claim goes round and round, and her gear never shows up. Every year, 1 million instruments are lost in transit, and it leaves musicians having to beg and borrow from friends for the show to go on. Well, we're the gear gals to help. With Soundcheck, we're a website that's a peer-to-peer platform that acts as the Airbnb for musical instruments. You can host and rent typical music gear, but the best part, we're celebrity-backed, which enables us to have a unique, high-profile inventory, giving people a one-in-a-lifetime experience. And we have this guy over here. He's going to list his 2
Is
accordions. All right.
So, questions?
Well, actually, okay. Now, I'll be big. I'm not going to list Aretha. She's too valuable. But Beyonce and Cardi, my other accordions.
So this is actually part of my question. Like, as a musician and as somebody who does like mobile production stuff, like there's no chance in hell I am putting my like Neumann mics up on that platform or something like that.
We have actually, already landed Athos Insurance, so they're the same company Airbnb used to use. And so everything's 100% insured from the time you pick up the rental, from the time you drop it off.
And the transaction, like for payment, is insured as well, I would assume, like if somebody
Oh, yes,
isn't gonna pay? Okay, and so you guys are making money taking a cut, or is
Transaction.
it just on the
Like a
transaction?
manager, but less greedy. And also, if you were to list a
Probably doing more work too.
we would only expect 12% of your sold.
Yeah, it's exactly like Airbnb. The host, we take 3% from the hosting fee and 12% from the transaction.
So, tell me about your traction. You said you had a
Yeah,
couple
so-
paid users, or?
We have 13 official posts. We've had over $200 of total transactions, leaving us with $58 in revenue with the 3% and the 12%. Yeah, our website's been up for a day and a half. So,
There's already sites that do similar things, so like what's your differentiator, how are you gonna take them on?
so our value prop has 3 aspects. It has people, it has product, and it has protection. So we are the team that can do it. She has produced at MTV for 6 years. She's a legit rock star. We have app developers and designers, and I've built multi-million-dollar businesses. So we have it all from our people standpoint. From a product standpoint, we have celebrity offerings. So Slash's guitar. And then from protection, we use Airbnb's insurance policy. So it's the best that you can get.
All women team!
But that's not when the Slash is 59 left Paul does it, because that would be,
He's donating one. Right. Not that one. You never know. All right, thank you very much. That was